today we're doing science experiments from this science magic kit.
Science magic kit!
All right, so we're gonna pick 3 experiments to do today. What 3 experiments do you want to do? Reveal a secret message. The kit comes with mostly everything that you need.
Whoa!
Oh, I caught it.
Okay, so we have a lot of stuff.
We have a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, so we need citric acid. Hold on to this for me, my assistant.
Okay.
And we need 1 piece of pH paper.
Okay.
This, a colorless crayon. Oh, wow, I've never seen a clear, look, it's a clear crayon.
Oh. I
You
didn't
see
know.
it? It's a clear crayon. I've never seen a colorless crayon before. Okay, we need that.
We need a spray bottle.
Spray bottle.
Okay.
And we need the medium scoop,
Okay,
which
medium
is
scoop.
this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write a secret message on
Yeah.
the pH paper. And then Cameron is going to be the scientist and reveal what that secret message is. Let's do this. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna write a secret message, no peeking. I wrote my secret message in the clear, colorless crayon. You can't see anything. Do you see anything? No. All right.
So we're gonna do this tiny scoop.
Opened the citric acid.
Oh.
And we're gonna put 1 scoop of that into this spray bottle.
Okay.
So can you scoop it for me?
Yeah.
So use this
Yeah.
and then scoop. You want to scoop.
Okay.
In there, now it says to fill the bottle about 3/4 full of warm water. Fills it up with warm water. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. All right, so we're gonna spray it.
Okay. Oh, all that red stuff is on it. Why is it opening?
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's cool.
You can't see my is cool that much. Maybe I didn't write hard enough, but let's see the Cam. I wrote Cam is cool on the paper. So why did the pH paper turn red?
Because you sprayed it.
The citric acid caused the paper to turn red. Isn't science cool?
Yeah. The next one I choose is to make snow here in my hand.
Now we're gonna do the instant snow experiment. This we need some instant snow.
Okay.
And we need the magic wand.
Oh.
And we need a clear cup. One of these. And the medium scoop again.
The medium scoop, I want to get that.
Okay. And water. And now we need 1 medium scoop of this instant snow.
Okay.
I need scissors again.
Ah! Not scissors again. No.
Okay, I got the scissors again.
So in dangerous scissors, you need a grown-up to help you.
That's right. That's right. Never use scissors on your own, kids, especially sharp ones like these. Get a grown-up to help you.
Please remember that.
So we've got the instant snow. Now it says to add 1 medium scoop of this to the palm of your hand. So I'm gonna, you wanna scoop it?
Yeah.
Okay. A little more. Why not? Okay, so this is what it looks like when it first goes on the hand. As you can see, it's like really thin particles. Now for the magic. Okay, and watch it. Wow.
It got bigger.
It got bigger. It turned into instant snow. That's really cool.
Wow, look at all this.
All this snow. So for our third experiment, I got a fun one. I saw a fun one. The magic beaker.
Okay, the one that Mommy choose is the magic beaker. That's what we're gonna be doing.
Yes. We need a lot.
Why? Yeah, this is the fun one.
Okay, so we need red cabbage powder.
Okay, where's the red cabbage powder? Oh, this is the magic powder.
We need baking soda.
Okay, baking soda.
Should give us.
Stick
We need
what?
the citric acid again.
The citric acid again, no!
Alright, we got the citric acid again. Be careful with that because that's open. And we need 3 clear cups. So here's 3 clear cups. Then we need the small scoop. The small scoop is this one.
The small scoop. We need to get a spoon. Let's scoop some things up.
The big scoop, which would be this one. The beaker, which is this.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. And warm water. Alright, because we want all the little crystals to melt as much as possible.
Make sure you're doing this with the adult kids because if you spill it, you'll get your hands all red. Please remember that. And now you need to stir it.
Gotta stir it till it's all dissolved.
Yeah, we gotta stir it.
So the last one, now this is the one, the red cabbage powder. This is the one that can get your hands red. Gotta be very careful with it.
So you need adults to help you because you'll get your hands all red from that one.
1 small scoop.
That'll get your hands all red.
Yeah, it can. So you want to be very careful.
You drop it? Oh, it's resolving. It's resolving.
50. Yeah, it's dissolving. It's that one. And we've got, this was our base solution.
Can I do
This is our
that?
base solution.
Pour in there?
Oh no, we're just gonna sit it down. And this was our acidic solution. So we've got our acid, our base, and our pH. Now, here comes the fun part.
What is it? What is it?
Do you know what 2 colors make purple? I'll tell you. Red and...
Blue.
Yeah, red and blue. So now, this magic beaker is going to make red and blue. And we're going to see red color and we're going to see a blue color in these 2 cups if we did our science experiment right. Which color do you want to make first?
Red.
Red. All right. This is our acid. Let's see if we did it right. Whoa.
I think you were right.
We've got red. Okay. Now, what's the next color?
Blue.
Blue. Now, this one's going to be blue. Hopefully. See? Yes. We have this one purple liquid that we separated into red and blue because red and blue make purple. Do you think we can make purple again? Because we said red and blue make purple, right? So we should be able to combine this red and this blue to make purple again.
Yeah.
All right. Now, you want to get a tray for this part because it's going to be a bit of a bubbly flavor.
I can't wait for this.
We're gonna make purple again. I'm gonna pour the red and you pour the blue.
I get the red and I'll get the blue.
And we're gonna pour it at the same time into this cup. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! and we made purple again.
It's bubbling, but why is it not going up?
Cameron wants a bigger explosion. So let's see if we add some more baking soda, if that will give us a bigger explosion.
Yeah! Whoa, it's bubbling over. Wow. Another explosion.
Now it's turning blue.
What? Purple makes blue.
Now it's a deep, deep purple, and you can see the colors are kind of like blue and purple because we added some more of this base. The baking soda is the base, and that makes it blue. Was that so much fun?
Yes. Bye, kids. I hope you liked my science experiment. Bye. I'll see you in the next adventure. Like and subscribe.